Hey guys! I have now 5 hours left before I have to go to the airport, and I have to finish packing my bags. And the problem is that I pack too much stuff because I'm there 3 weeks and I don't know what I need and what I can do with laundry there. And also it's a studio apartment, a Goshivon apartment, so I don't know if I need towels, I think, and also things for my bed. It takes so much space in my luggage, so I have to figure out what is really important and finish it, because I'm starting to get nervous and a bit excited, but also feeling nervous. So let's pack our carry-on package, because we never know what happens with our luggage. I will pack for one day. First, I need something to clean my hands. Then I have also shower and also shampoo. For my eyes, I don't know how you feel when you fly, but I have always dry eyes and my nose is so dry, and all the air in the aircraft is, I don't know. And skincare, something for my hands, and that I don't disturb people. And last but not least, it's to wash clothes. Brush my hairs. Brush my hair. So you never know where you will go. So to clean up a bit. Interesting side fact. If you're from Germany, you don't need an adapter for your charging stuff. So let's weight one package and 5 kilos, so I have 5 kilos left. But I have also to take all my technical stuff. Because I have always fat fingers. Also, one side note, if you pack your own headset, do not forget your cable and adapter. Okay, my bag is now too heavy. I didn't pack so much, just my notebook is so heavy, I see. I plan that I can do some stuff for my luggage, my carry-on luggage, but this will not happen because my luggage is too heavy. Before, I worried a lot that I will come too late to the airport and have to wait long hours at the security check, but today I'm way too early, and also my flight is delayed by 1 hour. During my waiting time, I just watched a few airplanes flying and enjoyed my coffee and smoothies. After the security check, I found a calm corner where I could also work a bit and waited the last 2 hours until the boarding will start.
어젯밤에 어디 있었어 내 생각하곤 있어 너 어린아이 같아 넌 아직까지 마음이 넌 나빠 I'm feeling lonely Something about you make me feel insecure baby Something about you girl Stay here right
다리에
by my
넣어주세요.
side Feel like I am falling deeper 여기서 alone I feel like falling deeper, deeper Cause I love and rewind, oh Love it, you right, baby Love and rewind, oh Come on and tell me now Love and rewind, baby Love it, you right, baby Love and rewind Tell me what's going on now Man, I've been switching lanes all the time on the net AKA I'm just on
10 hours left and we will arrive in Korea. I found the slippers very, very cute.
say, but I wanna know the time to fight to listen out, tell you why I'm thinking we're just fine. Feel like I am falling deeper. 여기서 alone. I feel like falling deeper, deeper. Cause I love and rewind. Oh, love it, you right, baby. Love
The last time I flew such a long flight, it was very boring and I felt so stiff and I could not sit any longer. But this time it was very well. I just watched a K-drama, I just slept a bit, and yes, and the time was over and I arrived in Korea. Finally, I arrived at the Incheon airport, and at the end I was really tired and confused, so I didn't film so much. I just searched for the way and where I have to go, and also I didn't want to find out and research how I have to drive by bus, and the Kakao map said it would take 2 hours, so I just took a taxi, and yeah, it's more expensive, but I just wanted to arrive at the correct destination and don't get lost. I will end the video by showing you the last scenes driving through Seoul, and just enjoy watching. And if you liked the video, smash the like button. And also I would like to know from you guys, leave a comment if you already traveled to Korea or if you plan to travel to Seoul, or which places I really have to go and should not miss. So have a nice day.
And maybe it's crazy of me to say it's only been a couple days, I know. But baby, every day